Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Marites Indrina. I am 36 years old. I am married. I have three sons. The eldest is 11 years old. The second is 7 years old. And the youngest is 5 years old. And I finished discipleship training program in Calvary Chapel, Dumaguete.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers. I am the oldest.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience here in the Philippines.
My working experience here in the Philippines for 4 years is serve one couple and six children. Um,
What are the ages of the children?
the ages of the children is the eldest is 13 years old, 12 years old, 10 years old, 8 years old, 6 years old, and the youngest is 4 years old.
Okay. So what are your other job duties aside from taking care of the six children?
My other job duties is to clean the house, cook, washing clothes, and ironing.
Okay. Do you know how to taking care of the newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will check first the diaper. If it is wet, I will change it. If she or he never stop crying, I will sing a song or feed a milk.
Okay. Do you know how to taking a bath of the baby?
Yes, sir.
What do you need to prepare?
Prepare a lukewarm water, towel and soap, and I will take care of mouth, nose, and ears not to spill with the water.
Can you sing a song for the baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir, because I have cats and dogs in our home.
Do you have any allergy?
No, sir.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if ever the children is very naughty, do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family financially.
Okay, if ever you will work in Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My husband will take care of them.
Okay, do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
What food can you cook?
I can cook native food or Filipino food, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, sir.
If ever your employer want you to do the car washing without extra pay, it's okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lose money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you have tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am honest, cheerful, and helpful person, and I willing to work. Hi to my.
Are you promised to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
promise to finish my 2 year
If ever you have homesick, how can you avoid it?
If ever I have homesick, I focus my work, and I will treat my employer as my own family, and I will tell myself that my children need money.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.